Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Atom update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Let's dive into Atom here, guys. We're on the 2-hour time frame. If you've been following the Twitter, you have an idea of what we have going on, Atom. We've had many good trades for shorts and longs going back, all the way here to previous price action. If you're new, we can backtrack a little bit here where we're tracking our descending broadening wedge here, which eventually led to a breakout, a back test, which created this ascending wedge here, which was, we had a bullish pattern here, a bearish pattern here, which led to a breakdown after our breakup. So both those patterns played out perfectly. We were longing down here, I think, or down here and shorting up here at the top. So that worked out really well. And now we're just kind of ranging back here through these price levels that I've had marked for y'all, where, if we go back and, look at previous price action, we can see how it has respected these levels extremely well, right? With, support, resistance, finding support off these, finding resistance off these. So it's worked out really well for these levels. And now we're kind of ranging through these levels here again. If we get in on price action here, we can kind of see what we're looking at here, where Atom is now kind of just ranging and stuck in between our level here at 28.10 and our next level up here at 29.90. Okay. So if we back out just a little bit here, we can kind of see where Atom is kind of creating some type of, much lower time frame ascending pattern here, right? So we would expect Atom to want to hold this, going forward on these lower time frames on this zoomed in look, right? So optimally, we would see Atom do something like this, right? Where we can maybe get another long entry off that line. Maybe it rides that line a little bit longer here, and we could, see continuation higher here to that next level at 29.90 there, guys. Okay. Now, if we start seeing price action lose this level right here, okay, where price gets below that level at 28.10 right here, guys, and we start back testing this level as resistance, that's where we're going to see further downside, guys. And that next level that we'd be looking at is 25.60, okay, 25.60 for that next level on Atom there, guys. So if you're looking for a potential long, you can look at 28.10 in confluence with that potentially that lower time frame trend going on right here. If not, we could potentially be looking at a downwards move down there to 25.60. If we pull it out a little bit further on that daily chart here, we can see where we do have somewhat of a higher time frame, right, pattern here going on, where we have our consistent lows here, where we've been finding support, guys. So if we were to lose that 25.60, right, where we lose our current level at 28.10, we go down and lose 25.60, we could expect that this level would hold right here in this ascending level of support that we had right here. And if we were to come straight down right now, that sits at approximately $23.37 for you guys. So you can mark that level in your charts, get these lines drawn on there, guys. But that's essentially what we're looking at, kind of more on this macro view on this daily chart. I know we have these lower time frame levels in here, so it makes it kind of jumbled. But we essentially have some type of ascending pattern here going on, right, guys, where we have a top here. I'll make this a little bit larger so y'all can see that, where we have our consistent top and then kind of our ascending level of price action, guys. So if we were just to take this on a very basic level of a zoomed out 1-day chart here, we could expect some ranging price action, right? Maybe find support off the bottom one more time before coming back up here and testing those highs again. And again, guys, for reference, that's sitting at approximately $44.83, guys. Okay. If we can also have a technical target off this move, right, from our low here in December back to our highs here, kind of in the mid range of January here, and then coming down where we made our next low here at the end of February, guys. So if we were to take a technical target off that with our trend-based fib from our low back up to our highs here and go back down to our lows, should this prove as a bottom, guys, where we do not come back down and make a lower low than this right here, again, that would give another technical target to come back up here to $46.09, guys. And that would just be in confluence with what I just told y'all, where on this, 1-day zoomed out chart, we could see some more ranging price action in this potential pattern here on this higher time frame, where we come back up and meet those highs again. Again, this line sitting right at about 44, 45, and that technical target was right there at about $46, guys. So that's what we're looking at on Atom right now. Again, guys, we zoom back in. Again, what we're looking at on these lower time frames is to hold that level at 28.10, hold that lower time frame ascending pattern here potentially. If not, you're looking at coming down to 25.60 And if not that, you're looking at coming down to approximately 23, the mid 23s or so, depending on, you know, timing and when we're actually able to make it down there. If we made it down there, guys. So again, if you're looking for long, you could potentially look off this line. If you're looking for a short, you know, you could play it maybe off, you know, coming up here, where if we were to then run into resistance here, guys, you know, we come up and meet resistance at that line, you have some type of stop loss below that level or above our level right here, and you can play it to your liking to our next support level there, guys. So that's what we're looking at on Atom. If you found the video helpful, if you found the information helpful, throw a like down, throw a comment. Thanks for watching today, guys.